Hi y'all, it's Karma here. Hope you're having a great day. Welcome to my channel where you can say Karma's your friend. Today we're going to be opening the Enchanted Crystal Box. It's one of my favorite crystal boxes because you get so many unique gems. So I'm super excited to show it to you. Now, remember that most of the subscription information will be in the video description, but just as a little recap, this is a monthly subscription box, and I get the master box, and I get the larger box, and so my box is $39 a month. There are other options, and there's no shipping, so that's kind of the gist about the box. And as you know, it comes all nice and wrapped up. So you've got your little newsletter here from Adam and the crew, and then your crystal grid, which I'll show you, and then all of the gems are wrapped up super nice in there so that they stay well protected. But as you know, I like to change the angle on this box so that you get to see the crystals up close and personal. So give me just a minute and I'll be right back. So here is our grid cloth for this month. Really pretty. I'm not a big green fan per se, but I really like this one. It has some really interesting shapes, and it'll be really fun to do a crystal grid for us with it. So very nice. So let's see what we have. So first let's look at our loose gems. It looks like we have black cream chert, black onyx, and wine quartz. I may struggle with these again, guys. So there they are. Oops, I always go the wrong way when I've got this table view. So my guess is, so we've got these two, and then these two, and these two. So we've got the reddish ones, the blackish ones, and the greenish ones. So we have black cream chert, black onyx, and wine quartz. So I'm going to guess this is the wine quartz. Really pretty. Let's see if I can get it a little bit closer.
So red wine quartz is a highly energetic crystal, and it has very strong vibrations. It links to the root chakra, similar to red quartz, but has a deeper color. This crystal is a crystal of transformation, and it can bring a strong positive feeling while ensuring that the user remains grounded.
And then, I don't know, I'm going to call this the black onyx, the ones that's more black, but correct me if I'm wrong. What do you guys think?
Now, black onyx promotes vigor, steadfastness, and stamina. It imparts self-confidence, helping you to be at ease with your surroundings. It banishes grief, enhances self-control, and stimulates the power of wise decision-making. Now, the black cream chert improves humor and has a calming influence. It helps redirect the energy and is a stone of protection and healing. It will aid memory and help to find lost items, and helps us to enhance serenity and bring peaceful sleep. Who doesn't need peaceful sleep? So next we have the Vanadinite on a matrix, and this connects one to one's sexual and creative energies, removing any energetic blocks, being they're physical or inspirational. It may be used for breathing difficulties such as asthma and congested lungs, and may be helpful in the treatment of chronic exhaustion and bladder problems. That is so gorgeous. It sparkles so pretty. Next we have an Iceland Spar Set. I've never had this before. They're super pretty. Look at that. Wow, those are gorgeous. Now, an Iceland Spar Set, it amplifies energy and can be used to clear, open, and strengthen the chakras. It displays the optical characteristic of double refraction, so it's possible to see two images while looking through the crystal. It connects to all the chakras with a strong connection to the third eye and stimulates the third eye chakra, bringing increased insight and clarity to one's consciousness. It can help to clear stagnant and blocked energies from all of one's energy fields and chakras. Next, we have an Agni Manitite-Meteor impact glass, very rare. I've never had any meteor glass. I'm excited. Oh, that is so cool. That's so pretty, and it has such a, oh wow, the energy is really different on it. Agni Manitite helps direct your own personal will to that which truly brings happiness and joy into your life. It results in better thinking, strength, and positivity that will spread throughout your physical body like wildflower. That is so pretty. I can't wait to work with it. And next we have peach selenite. And I don't have any peach selenite, but remember, selenite will cleanse everything. Oh, it's so pretty. It's a small to medium sphere, and that is so pretty. So peach selenite is for cleansing, protection, and transformation. It's perfect for all types of energy cleansing and has the ability to quickly unblock stagnant energy and remove negative energy. Selenite stones also greatly magnify the energy of anything placed upon them. Selenite stone is the stone of transformation. It helps heal old emotional wounds and transforms the negative energy into healing, forgiveness, and acceptance. You can use this to increase self-awareness and travel a new path. What do we have next? We have a Hiddenite, which is rare. Okay, I've never heard of a Hiddenite. Have any of you? Let's see what it looks like. Oh, that's pretty. It's really small. Looks almost like a quartz crystal. Hiddenite is a healing crystal. It gently works on physical and emotional issues, including grief, and it allows rejuvenation of the body and mind. It aids in overcoming addictions by decreasing attachments through opening up the heart with hope and joy. Next we have a Mahogany Obsidian Tower. Looks like a good size one too. I'm excited for this one. I love having towers for my crystal grids, and oh, look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, it's got such beautiful coloring and markings on it. So Mahogany Obsidian strengthens your aura and protects you against repeated problems. It's wonderful in providing grounding and protection, and it encourages strength in time of need. It eliminates energetic blockages, relieves tension, and helps to stimulate growth on all levels. That is just beautiful. Wow. So that's what we got this month. I'm really loving, I can't even choose my favorite this month again. That makes it so hard for me. What was your favorite?
I always love this box, and this box is no exception. I give it 2 thumbs up. What was your favorite item in the box this month, and what would you use that item for? I hope you enjoyed our time together, and I hope you picked up some tidbits about crystals and learned something new. I often learn new things from you all. Remember to subscribe and like this video if you haven't already, and come back really soon to the channel where you can say, Karma's my friend. Bye, y'all.